Okay, anybody else? Any other administrative announcements from the defense? Any of the defense attorneys? Okay, all right. State, I'm going to, it is the court's direction that, given that we are going to trial next Wednesday, to sever the following individuals. Mr. Bradford, who was just arraigned and has no counsel. Mr. Fleetwood has no counsel. Mr. Garlington has no counsel. And Mr. McMillan has no counsel. So those four individuals I'm going to sever for purposes of trial. They'll have to be tried another time. I am going to work with Mr. Hoover as well as Ms. Bernard to see if they can't get them lawyers. But we've been attempting to get lawyers for a number of them for several months. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to probably sever those. Any other issue? Any other discussion about any one of those individuals? Bradford, Fleetwood, Garlington, or McMillan? McMillan, I should say.
And Your Honor, obviously we have two that are still outstanding.
And those are?
Mr. Cobb and Mr. Winfrey.
Mr. who? I'm sorry?
Justin Cobb.
Cobb?
Yes, Your Honor, and Jimmy Winfrey.
All right. Winfrey, Cobb and Winfrey, I'll sever those two as well, since they have not been amenable to justice as of yet.
And Your Honor,
so that would be 6.
right.
Anybody else?
That is all of the ones that need to be dealt with in that manner. I just wanted to make sure that we were still working, or will continue to work on getting counsel for the ones that.
Yes, and in fact, I'm gonna send out another correspondence. We are trying to work on getting contract counsel as well on the Superior Court side of the house, as well as the efforts of several other entities. Everyone's really working hard on this issue, but as you can see, it's been quite challenging. So, all right. So those particular individuals, once they get attorneys, we'll deal with them at some point in the future. Ms. Bernard?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have those individuals, at least the two, except for the two, Cobb and Winfrey, have not been arrested as of yet, but have the others at least qualified for your services, and is there a request in for them to have C3 counsel?
Yes, Judge. It's been quite a while, and Bradford, I just got done yesterday. Once I got that, I think it was yesterday when we discussed Bradford.
Yes,
so that has been sent over yesterday. While I was in court, I did that, and then the others have previously been qualified, and we've been trying to find counsel.
To no avail as of yet, is that correct?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, all right. I know you're working hard on that. Just please keep us posted. And I'm going to get in touch with Mr. Hoover as well, again, and see if he has not gotten any other folks for us on those folks that need C3 counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. Okay, so Mr. Fleetwood, where are you? Sir, we're working on getting you counsel, but you will not be going to trial next week, okay? So once we get a lawyer for you, that lawyer will tell you what the next steps are, okay? All right, sir. Mr. Garlington? Raise your hand. Sir, you're in the same position. I'm going to have to, you're not going to come to trial next week, but as soon as we can get you a lawyer, that lawyer will go ahead and advise you on the next steps, okay? It's unlikely that you'll get one before Wednesday. I'm sorry? I don't know. I mean, we've been trying to get you a lawyer for a little bit. If your people get you a lawyer, then please let the state know and let the court know, and we can work out something, okay? But right now, you're not going to trial next week, okay? All right, sir.
Sure, Your Honor. Can I be excused?
In just a minute. Mr. McMillan? Sir, same thing with you. Since you don't have counsel as of yet, I'm not going to require you to go to trial next week. Once we get you a lawyer, that lawyer will advise you on the next steps, okay? All right, thank you, sir. Yes, Ms. Gladden.
Judge, we are still speaking with the state, but this is something I brought up when I first got retained, and I do have something filed in writing.